In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix squad errors in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. Let's get started. One of the most common issues is an illegal formation. Your starting lineup must always include at least 3 defenders, so if you have accidentally selected too many midfielders or forwards, simply head to the pitch view and swap in a defender from your bench. The game will automatically adjust your formation to a valid setup, such as 3-5-2 or 4-4-2 or 4-3-3. Another frequent problem is exceeding the player limit from a single country. Tournament rules may restrict how many players you can owe from one nation, especially as the competition progresses through different stages. If you have gone over the limit, review your squad, identify the country causing the issue, remove one of the excess player, and transfer any placement from another nation. Once the transfer is confirmed, the squad error should disappear. You should also pay close attention to players displaying a red flag icon. This usually means the player is injured, suspended, unavailable, or no longer part of their national team's active squad. Clicking on the player will allow you to check their status. If they are unlikely to play, transfer them out for an active alternative within your budget. If transfers are closed for the current match day, place the player on your bench and allow the game's automatic substitution system to work if eligible. Many managers also become confused when substitutions fail or points don't update immediately. Remember that manual substitutions can only be made after a starting player's match has finished and before the deadline for the next set of fixtures. If your bench player has not played yet, you can bring them into your lineup to replace a low-scoring starter. As for points, they may take time to update while matches conclude and official statistics are processed. If a score appears incorrect, refresh the app and wait until all fixtures in the round have been completed. Before every deadline, run through a quick checklist. Make sure your starting 11 contains at least 3 defenders, verify that you are within the country player limits, remove or bench injured and suspended players, complete any manual substitutions before the next fixture deadline, and confirm that all transfers have been saved successfully. By following these steps, you will be able to fix squad errors in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.